Watch number 138, effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 138 has been issued until midnight Thursday for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester.
Okay, was not expecting that. Just got a random severe thunderstorm watch.
Cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. South wind